We'll discuss in this video whether the massage gun will work on shin splints. Shin splints is pain at the front of the shin. We'll go through a case study which is a little bit easier then to see whether the massage gun will help or not. And at the end of the video we'll tell you where to go if you are still confused with anything and if you need any more individual advice. My name's Claire, I'm a physiotherapist from Physiofit Health. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can keep updated with our videos. Does a massage gun help you with shin splints? Now the answer is a little bit waffly, I'm afraid. It does actually depend on what's going on and why you're getting the shin splints. Shin splints, you've got pain on the shin. It is actually a bit of an umbrella term, and there could be many different reasons for the causes of the shin splints, and that's why sometimes the massage may help and other times not so much. So first of all, before you can answer the question whether a massage gun will help, it's a good idea just to figure out what are the main driving factors for the pain that you're getting. So if we take an example of somebody that is a runner, they would need to be pushing off. Potentially they might be weak around the hip and the pelvis, so weak in the glutes area. Which means they're not using these muscles at the top of the leg to push off, and that will mean that they're overworking the muscles lower down around the calf and the ankle, and that potential overworking might be causing them some of that pain at the front of the shin. So primary, I would say, would be glutes, yet you are feeling it around the shins. So then creating that problem list will then drive the plan, so it kind of feeds into the solutions. So part of the issue would be glutes, takes us off on a little bit of a tangent. Some would need to be working on their glutes to really see a long-term solution. The massage gun then would help them on in and around their calves, and around the shin, because that takes away the tension of those muscles. However, if they were just to use the massage gun and not do anything else, they'd probably find that they need to keep on using the massage gun. The problem keeps on resurfacing, and it's likely because they haven't addressed all of the factors and haven't really been working on their glutes. So yes, you kind of need to use a massage gun in combination with a few things. If you'd like to find out how to use a massage gun around the shins, then watch this video that we've created. We have a link to all of the products that we'd suggest and recommend in the description below, so click on that if you want to find out which massage gun that we have chosen to use. If you are confused by any of this information, sometimes it is a lot to kind of take on board. You can get a little bit more individual advice by booking an online physio appointment with us, and we can go through medical history, ask you many questions, and really figure out what's going on with you and the steps that you need to do to try and help yourself get a little less painful. You'll find the booking button on our website. Click it and you'll see our calendar. It's pretty straightforward to use. See you soon.